through fire, I lost my way, but you were near. You didn't stray when I was weak and couldn't stand. You took my fear and held my hand. I should have fallen, lost in despair, but you were steady, always there. I am unshaken, held by your grace. You lift me higher from every place. The world may tremble, storms may rise, but I stand strong with heaven's light. I am unshaken by your grace. Oh, your word is fire, it lights my soul. Your mercy meets me and makes me whole. No voice of darkness, no heavy shame can touch the power in your name. I should have crumbled, broken apart, but you were healing every part. I am unshaken, held by your grace. You lift me higher from every place. The world may tremble, storms may rise, but I stand strong with heaven's light. I am unshaken by your grace. You are my refuge, you are my song. You never left me alone. My firm foundation, rock of truth. I stand unshaken, unshaken. By your grace I stand again, unshaken. Your love will never end. Unshaken, not by might, not by strength, but by your Spirit, Lord. I'm unshaken again and again. I am unshaken by grace. I'm unshaken. Yes, I am. You never fail. You never leave. You never leave. Unshaken by your
Even when I don't see it, I know you're moving. I've prayed the prayer 1,000 times, still waiting for the mountain climb. But every silence speaks your name. You're not delayed, you're not ashamed. When I don't feel it, still I'll say, you're not finished, you're making a way. You're still working, even when I can't see. You're still faithful, cast my doubt, but even shadows hold your grace. You never leave, you never waste. So I will trust you in this pain. You're not silent, you're just shaping my though the outcome's far from view. You're the God whose word is true. You're still working, you're still moving, you're still healing, you're still proving, you're still working, even when I can't see. You're still You never sleep, you never stray. You're still working through the way. You're still working through the I used to carry sorrow deep. Woke up tired, couldn't sleep. But grace came in like morning light. Now every day just feels so right. No more chains, no heavy heart. I found a brand new place to start. This joy is real, it won't run dry. A river flowing deep inside. You lift me up, you light my way. I'm dancing in amazing grace. This joy is real, I feel it now. I've got a praise I can't hold down. You changed my song, you made me new. This joy is real because of you. I thought I lost my melody, but you sang over me faithfully. Now I've got laughter in my soul. You turned my weeping into gold. Every fear you washed away. I walk in freedom every day. This joy is real, it won't run dry. A river flowing deep inside. You lift me up, you light my way.
fear, chained by lies I used to hear. But then your voice broke through the noise and called me out into your joy. No more shame, no more doubt. I know what your love's about. I know who I am, I'm yours alone. My heart is steady, my spirit's whole. You call me daughter, you call me free. No fear can shake what you've placed in me. I know who I am. In you I see. I was reaching, you were near. You held my soul and drew me clear. The mirror cracks, but you restored. Now I walk through every open door. No more lies, no turning back. I'm walking strong on heaven's path. I know who I am, I'm yours alone. My heart is steady, my spirit's whole. You call me daughter, you call me free. No fear can shake what you've placed in me. I know who I am. In you I see. And I'm not my past, I'm not my pain, I'm not the labels they try to name. I'm chosen, loved, redeemed and whole. You wrote that truth into my soul. I know who I am. I know. I stand in your place. I stand. I rise in your name. I rise. Forever the same. I know who I am. I'm yours alone. My heart is steady, my spirit's whole. You call me daughter, you call me free. No fear can shake what you've placed in me. I know who I am. In you I see. I know who I am. I know who I am. You call me free.
Every morning, mercy wakes me. Every breath is proof you stay. Even when the road gets heavy, you carry me the whole long way. I've seen you in the hardest night, still shining like a faithful light. You've been so good, I can't deny. Through every season, every trial, my heart remembers, my soul will sing of all the joy your grace will bring. You've been so good to me. I've known failure, I've known fear, but never night. Through every season, every trial, my heart remembers, my soul will sing of all the joy your grace will bring. You've been so good to me. Mercy rising, chasing regret.
You turn the morning into a beat.
Now I dance on victory streets.
I used to carry worry like weight, but you rewrote my everyday. You filled my heart, you changed my name. Now I'm alive in joy again.
This freedom's loud, can't hold it in. It's joy that moves beneath my skin. You give me joy, overflowing, running wild, never slowing. You lift me up, you light my soul. You turn it up, I lose control. You give me joy, I can't explain it. Love so real, I gotta praise it. This is the sound of hearts set free. You give me joy, you give me joy.
I was stuck in a silent place, but now I'm dancing in your grace.
No chains, no shame, just endless light. We shine with heaven every night.
So raise your hands, don't miss this wave.
We're living loud,
The stone's been raised.
you give me joy, overflowing, running wild, and never slowing. You lift me up, you light my soul. You turn it up, I lose control. You give me joy, can't explain it. Love so real, I gotta praise it. This is the sound of hearts set free. You give me joy, you give me joy, you give me joy.
Ain't no sorrow holding me.
No way,
Ain't no shadow following me.
no fear. I got joy down in my soul. I got joy and it overflows. You give me joy, overflowing, running wild, never slowing. You lift me up, you light my soul. You turn it up, I lose control. You give me joy, can't explain it. Love so real, I gotta praise it. This is the sound of hearts set free. You give me joy, you give me joy, you give me joy. Joy, joy, joy. Oh, you give me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you give me joy.
I've carried pain like a second skin. Wounds I covered, held within. But you reached down through all the shame. Called me daughter, spoke my name. Now I feel the light again, rising up beneath my skin. You've healed my heart, you made me whole. Restored the pieces, saved my soul. The scars remain, but I'm not the same. I'm dancing now in Jesus' name. You've healed my heart, you've made me whole. I'm not broken, I'm bold. Every lie that said I'm less, you replaced with righteousness. Now I stand in truth and grace, walking out of that old place. Freedom running through my veins, joy replacing every chain. You've healed my heart, you've made me whole. Restored the pieces, saved my soul. The scars remain, but I'm not the same. I'm dancing now in the promise through delay, and breakthroughs coming. I will wait, even when I don't yet see. You're still fighting here for me. Breakthrough is coming, I will believe. You never left crown the stars foretold. You stand when no one else could stand. You hold the world with nail-scarred hands. You carry crosses, crush the grave, and still your mercy floods like waves. You are worthy, oh Lord, the Lamb who reigns. Eyes have not seen the price you paid. Glory and honor, power and praise to you alone. Our hearts are raised. You are worthy, oh Lord, forever praised. You bear the cries we never speak. You lift us up when we are weak. You see the end from where we start. You know each tear, you heal each heart. You are the weight of every name and rose in power, love unchained. You are worthy, oh Lord, the Lamb who reigns. Eyes have not seen the price you paid. Glory and honor, power and praise to you alone. Our hearts are raised. You are worthy, oh Lord, forever praised. Oh, no throne too high, no weight too great, no soul too lost, no time too late. From age to age, your name remains the echo of eternal flame. You are worthy, oh Lord, the Lamb who reigns. Eyes have not seen the price you paid. Glory and honor, power and praise to you alone. Our hearts are raised. You are worthy, oh Lord, forever praised.
I've searched for peace in distant skies, in broken words and lullabies. But every answer leads me back to where you whisper, calm and vast. I thought you lived in far-off land, but here you speak, you know my name. You're closer than my breath, nearer than my skin. You move within my size, you're deeper than my sin. You hold me when I fall, you stay through every test. You're not a distant God, you're closer than my breath. quiet rooms and sleepless nights, you wrap my soul in perfect light. I don't need stars to prove you're real. Just still my heart and let me feel. You're closer than my breath, nearer than my skin. You move within my silence. You're deeper than my sin. You hold me when I fall. You stay through every test. You're not a distant God. You're closer than my breath. You're the voice that I can't shake. You're the ground that doesn't break. You're the fire and you're the friend. You are beginning, you are end. You're closer than my breath, nearer than my skin. You move within my silence. You're deeper than my sin. You hold me when I fall. You stay through every test. You're not a distant God. You're closer than my